Hurricane Irma is one of the most powerful storms to form in the Atlantic Ocean. The mass devastation brings back many heartbreaking memories of past natural disasters. News Channel 6's Stephanie Borman spoke with a local shelter supervisor who remembers Hurricane Katrina.
That bothers me still today.
People fleeing Hurricane Irma's wrath has shelter volunteers working long hours to keep things running smoothly. Eric Long is the shelter supervisor at Trinity on the Hill. Despite the tiring shifts, Long says nothing compares to making evacuees feel welcome.
We're here at a church and we're here to serve people. That's not an option for us. That's a requirement.
Long has seen many natural disasters. One in particular that he'll never forget is the destructive and deadly Hurricane Katrina.
I was standing on a street, and as far down the street as you can see, stuff is piled 10 feet high on the curb waiting to be picked up. And in the driveway was a child's teddy bear. And my children were, at the time, were about that age, and it was just heart-wrenching.
The tropical cyclone was one of the costliest natural disasters in U.S. history. Thousands of families losing everything. And the image of that teddy bear still lingers in the back of Long's mind.
You know, this little child doesn't know what's going on. All the stuff they had, their blanket, their pillow, their stuffed animals, they're all gone. And that bothers me still today.
He says volunteering is priceless, and it means the world to evacuees who just walked away from their homes and everything they know.
And I can show hospitality to these folks, because at least provide them a safe, warm environment and welcome them here.
In Augusta, Stephanie Borman, WJBF News Channel 6.
If you are interested in becoming a Red Cross volunteer, you can visit our website, WJBF.com, for information on how you can do that.